Why settle for a plain and boring chapstick when we can have this awesome watermelon tinted lip balm inspired by Ira Tran? There are few things that scream summer to me more than a watermelon, and you guys know that I'm addicted to lip balm. I gotta have it with me wherever I go. Take a lid of an EOS plus a black non-toxic crayon and an X-Acto knife. Carefully cut small chunks of crayon and place them into the lid. Put 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in one of the containers. In the other two you can put a smaller amount, about half a teaspoon of coconut oil. To color up my lip balm mixtures, I'll be using non-toxic crayons. Since we're making a watermelon, we need red, white and green colors. First take the red mixture and pour it into the lid. Leave the red color to slightly harden. Now let's proceed with white. Take a little plastic wheel that you find in the middle of every EOS container and screw it on the watermelon lid. Grab the green lip balm mixture and pour it on top. Leave it to cool down completely. To speed up the process, you can pop your watermelon lip balm in the fridge or the freezer. When it's all set, take the bottom part of the EOS, pop it on, and we're finally ready to check how this watermelon tinted lip balm turned out. I still have to show you how to create epic Bonbon lips. Take a lipstick of any color and pop it on your lips. I'm actually using an eyeshadow pen because I don't have a lipstick in such a dark blue shade. Grab a Bonbon and cut away 2 triangle pieces. These are the parts that we're gonna use for our Bonbon lips. All we gotta do is apply some lash glue on each of the triangles and stick them next to our lips, like that. I think it looks nice if you match the color of your lips to the color of the wrapper. How unique and cool is this Bonbon lip hack? We're gonna transform them into a cute little cupcake. Apply some bright pink or red lipstick on the bottom lip. You can also just use a lip liner as me. This will be our cupcake's liner. The top lip will represent frosting, so take a white eyeliner or white face paint to color it white. To give this cupcake some detail, dip an eyeliner brush into a light pink liquid lipstick and draw vertical lines all over the bottom lip. This way our cupcake liner looks even more realistic. Time for the sprinkles. You can use real sprinkles and glue them on using a bit of eyelash glue, or you can simply draw them on. I chose the easy way and the lips turned out awesome. Let's kick off with an awesome galaxy lipstick made with gummy candy. This lipstick is absolutely spectacular and makes your lips look like a real galaxy. I am completely obsessed with it, so here's how you can make yours. Put about half a teaspoon of coconut oil into each bowl. Here comes the yummy part where you get to choose your favorite gummy candy to mix into the lipstick. I decided to go for sour gummy worm, so yummy, and a gummy bear. It is totally allowed to taste some too. For the color, take a violet and blue non-toxic crayons, or even better, face crayons. Yes girl, you gotta put some glitter into this lipstick, because without stars there's no galaxy. Let all the ingredients melt completely. The candy will dissolve last, so be patient. When all the ingredients are melted, take your lipstick container and alternately pour in your blue and violet mixture to get a lovely marble effect. Let the lipstick set for a few minutes. Here's our finished result. Isn't it beautiful? I didn't just make 1 galaxy lipstick, but 2. On top of that, I made 2 lipsticks using 3 colors. I pour one of these into a lip balm pot. I know, it's kind of an obsession, but these really are so much fun to make. See how nice and pigmented this lipstick is? You can make it using any other color too. Next, we're making an awesome cotton candy lipstick out of love hearts. Love hearts are super yummy and they are sold pretty much everywhere in the world, so I had to make a lipstick using this. Put half a teaspoon of coconut oil in each of the melting pots. Add 3 little drops of beeswax. Okay, let's now give some color to our lipstick mixtures. Take an old eyeshadow that you don't use anymore and scoop out some pigment. I went for blue and pink. Finally, it's time for the star of the show, which are the love hearts. These little candies don't melt, so I found another way to incorporate them into our lipsticks. Put a few love hearts into a food processor or a coffee bean grinder. Grind until you have a smooth powdery texture like confectioner sugar. Give it a little stir to combine all the ingredients. Get your lipstick pot ready, and all that's left to do is to pour your blue and pink lipstick mixture in. Voila, we are all done. See how nice and pigmented my colors are? You can make your lipstick more or less pigmented by adjusting the amount of eyeshadow you mix in. I also made one in a lipstick container. How pretty! This one is great if you want the pink and blue to apply randomly on the lips, while with the pot you have more control. Dip your finger or lip brush in pink and apply it on the lips where you want that color. You can create epic lip designs that way. I love this DIY because it's so creative and different. You need an old lipstick, a pencil, and a small piece of baking paper. Pull the eraser out of the pencil's ferrule. Now roll a piece of parchment paper around the top part of your pencil like this. Secure it in place with a piece of tape and set it aside for a minute. Make a double boiler, take a piece of lipstick and place it in the glass container. Optionally, you can also add some glitter, but remember to use lipstick grade or edible glitter. Wait for the lipstick to melt. Give it a little stir and pour the mixture in the lipstick mold that we made earlier. I like to pour it it up to 1/4 or 1/2 inch above the pencil end. Finally, we can unwrap the parchment paper to reveal our awesome lipstick pencil. I think it turned out so cool and I love all that blue glitter. You can tell how much I like these lipstick pencils by how many I've created. Look at this galaxy-inspired one, so gorgeous. You never know when a cute guy will walk into your classroom and these lipsticks will have you ready at all times. I'm kidding. With or without lipstick, you're just as beautiful. You know those cool lollipops that color your tongue? Well, I got an idea. If they color your tongue, they should also color your lips. So I tried it and it works. If you rub the lollipop on your lips for a minute or two, they will get all colored up. Of course, this calls for only one thing. We gotta make a DIY tinted lollipop lipstick. For the packaging, it's best to go for something rounded like this pretty disco ball lip balm. Tinted lollipops come in a bunch of different colors. I decided to go for the most wearable one, which is red. Take some cutting pliers or just strong scissors and snip away the lollipop stick like that. Pop the lollipop into your container, and if you like, you can even glue it down with some edible glue. If that's not the world's best lipstick, then I don't know. We can use it to make super cute, tinted and edible. Squeeze candy is the perfect sweet treat for creating DIY makeup products, especially lip glosses. It comes in so many delicious flavors and colors, plus it looks super shiny, which is exactly what we need. Squeeze a small amount of this yummy glossiness in a little pot. For this one, I chose the strawberry flavor, which comes in a very light pinky red shade. But I want to make my lip gloss super red, so I decided to drip in a drop of red food coloring. Remember that little goes a long way here, so you really don't need much food coloring to make the colors super vibrant. The last thing we have to do is to pour our deliciousness in a lip gloss container. You can use a bottle of an old gloss, or you can buy these empty containers online for very cheap. Here it is, a beautiful, super shiny lip gloss which smells amazing and tastes even better. It will give your lips a beautiful glossy red tint, plus you can have it as a sweet little treat. I love how you can make this in all the possible colors. I also wanted to try the berry flavor. Here I squeezed the candy directly in the lip gloss bottle. To make the color brighter and more potent, I added a drop of blue food coloring. Mix it up or shake it a little bit and you get a gorgeous bright blue lip gloss. I can't get over how amazing this DIY is. Squeeze candy glosses are seriously the best, and comparing to usual glosses, they're way more affordable. We are making rainbow lipstick out of lollipops. This recipe is perfect if you need to upcycle your older lipsticks, and we're also adding crushed lollipop for the perfect fruity scent and taste. Make a double boiler and put in as many melting pots as you need to melt different colored lipsticks. I have 4, so 4 little glass bowls for me. You can also melt your lipstick in a microwave if you prefer. Take small amounts of each lipstick color and put them into melting bowls. Now we can spice up the lipstick with some candy. Take a lollipop or any other hard candy, put it in a plastic bag and crush it with a hammer. Add the crushed lollipops to the melting lipsticks. I like to combine colors of lollipops with colors of lipsticks, so red lolly goes to red lipstick and blue one goes to blue lipstick. Give all the colors a good stir to help the lollipop melt. Alright, we can now put all these colors together into a pretty rainbow lipstick. I started with yellow, then red, orange and violet, and again yellow, and so on until the lipstick container is completely full. Leave it to cool down for a few minutes and you're finished. I also decided to make one lipstick in the pot. Since I don't have 4 arms to pour in all the colors at once, here's how you do it. Place an object, I'm using a knife, under one side of the lipstick pot. Then pour in your first color. Rotate the pot for 90 degrees and pour in another color. Repeat these steps for the remaining 2 colors, and there you have it, an epic lipstick wheel. How cool is that? I had to make 2 because I told you, obsession. Again, these lipsticks are super creamy and pigmented, which I love. I wanted to have fun, so I used all the rainbow colors and created these cool rainbow lips. The easiest way to make them is using a lip brush. Why wear a plain lipstick when you can rock these epic polka dot lips? They're super simple to make and they look amazing. Grab any lipstick of your choice and apply it on the lips as usual. I went for classic red, but literally any color will work. To make the white dots, I'm gonna use a white liquid eyeliner. Take a bobby pin and dip its tip in the liquid eyeliner. Now you can easily make the perfect white dots all over your lips. Bobby pin works like a stamp. What a great trick, right? If you don't have a white liquid eyeliner, you can just use a black one or even the usual pencil liners. I like the liquid eyeliners because they're very opaque and make the dots really vibrant.